Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate System.io with PayPal. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So we need to go in the browser as usual, and then we need to go to search engine Google, and here search for System.io, and then open the website System.io, and then we need to log in. So if you don't have an account, just create an account, but most of you already have an account, so let's go and log in. Click on sign in, use your email and your password. So I'm gonna use my email here, click on sign in. And so here we got the dashboard, upgrade your account, dashboard, contact, funnels, emails, blogs, and so on. But here we're gonna click on our icon and then choose settings. And here we have multiple options and choices, but just let's go for payment gateways. And here we got a lot of them, such as Stripe, PayPal, Molly, Flutterwave, and so on. We need to connect PayPal, so we're gonna click on connect here. And then once you're here, you need to get your username, your password, and your signature of PayPal. And to get this, you just need to go directly to the API settings on PayPal, and then copy them and paste them here. That's how you can integrate your account of PayPal with System.io. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.